Welcome back to Island Fishing. Today we're going to hit up another creek. I mean, that's about all I do anymore. I'm going to be throwing around some of these more TikTok grubs that I did in that last video. They just seem to work really good in the creek, and I wanted to see if I can maybe get some bigger ones. Because I know this section of the creek it gets a lot deeper. Pretty much the whole time I wait, it stays pretty deep. So. God, that water's cold today. This is cold water. Very cold. I'm gonna have to get me some waders. Oh God. I have some more grubs too if these don't do too good. Seems like they're doing alright though. Oh, that's a fish. Seems pretty decent. He is. Very nice. Calm down, buddy. I'll get you unhooked. Calm down. Let me get somewhere where I can actually hold my rod. I'm sinking into the abyss right here. Okay. No. This wouldn't be such a problem if you'd calm down. Okay. Very, very pretty fish. It's like they can't resist it. Oh, there's another one. Oh. No, I got him. Very, very nice. Big mouth sunfish is what I'm gonna start calling these guys. Whenever they have the red eyes, I know they're red eye bass, but very nice fish. I smell nothing but mud right now. Not at all where I wanted that, but it got hit immediately. I know there's a bass over there. I wonder if there's anything over here. I see a lot of rocks. Oh yeah. Hit that bad boy like a tank. Little red eye bass. Trying to waller in the mud, little buddy. You get out? There you go. Oh, that's a bat.
And the animals have trapped.
Good fish right here. Oh, I seen him. He looked big. Yeah, I got him. He ain't that big, but he's a good fish. Quick release. I don't know what I just got stung by. God, I hope it don't happen again. Oh my God. Ow. There's the good. That's the big one. Maybe not. Really, really nice. I think that's 5. There we go. Quick release on that one. I think that's 6. Surprised nothing ain't that. Another over here. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so the fast retrieve is better. That's what I was just testing. Okay, now that I know that. Oh, unless they hit it directly as it drops. Well, that is a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Just had the end. That's not where I wanted that at all. Step to the side, do a little side step cast here. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah. I got him. Oh, he's decent. I got 7 right there. Hey buddy, why don't you calm down for us? There's 7. Oh, followed it right away in. You are a teensy tiny little thing. Beautiful. I think that's 8 though. I wonder if there's anything hiding right here. Fish like to hide around structure like this, so it's always good to cast around them because I might end up catching one. There's number 9. Why don't you calm down, buddy? I'll get you off this hook. Hey, take it easy now. Another beautiful little red eye. Do you have any buddies over there? The hook is perfect size for him. I'm gonna let him eat it for a second. Yeah, I think that's the game plan. Make sure he eats it. There's 10. That's gonna be all for today, guys. Thanks for watching.